Blind Sniper, aka the GOAT. I've been out here again shooting my B22 stainless steel barrel, heavy stainless steel barrel, and trying different ammos. And every one of the ammos I tried pretty much sucked. Standard velocity was the best shooting. At one point, standard velocity gave me a one hole shot. It's big, just stacking them right on there, just one ragged hole. Then the last time I shot it, it wanted to spread out a little bit. So I don't know. It could be because the other shots is fouling the barrel up a little bit or what. I don't know. But this is the standard velocity. When I shot 10 shots, I have one scriber up here, which I think I pulled on a little bit, and the rest of them right there, I just nailed it. One right on top of each other. And then I shot it again. I didn't shoot for 5 shots this time, and it spread out like that. 2 in here, and 1, and 1, and 1. So 5 shots right there. But the 10 gave me a ragged hole. And I tried some Ely. This is Ely Target. I thought it would do better than that, but it didn't. I tried Ely Target and Ely Club, and neither one of them done too good. At first, the Target, I was thinking it would. It looked like it was gonna start piling up right there, but it never did come together. So I had to scratch that. The only thing I say is standard. I got a 0 for standard. That's really, I'm surprised, like I said, unless that last I shot might have fouled the barrel up to the point where it spread it out. Because usually it takes about 5 or 10 shots to get it back right again anyway, after you done put something else in there. So I might shoot 5 more before I go in the house, but either way, that's my B22, Savage B22, heavy stainless steel barrel, regular stock chassis. I was using my Olympic 8-32 scope, which was probably my second favorite, but I don't know. It's okay. It's okay. I'm still in love with my Mueller and my Vectors more, I think. But I hadn't shot enough with this one really to judge it too much. But it's a good scope. The only thing I don't like about it is 1/4 clicks instead of 1/8. And it's kind of hard to get it in there, especially when you're shooting from a bipod. But either way, this is the setup right here. It's 8x32x56, and I was shooting it on, it was like a 19, maybe something like that, 18, 19. There it is, right there. But it's been a busy day. Learned a lot this morning. Anyway, this is Blind Sniper getting ready to say goodbye. Do me a favor and subscribe and like and all that good stuff. Make a comment if you feel like you want to. All right, later.